Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the public library in TradingView app on your mobile phone. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the TradingView app and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or watch list of the TradingView apps on in the screen, where you can see the chart icon at the bottom of this screen. Just tap on that chart option and you'll be redirected to the screen displaying the chart of the BTC USDT on in the screen. And at the bottom of the bottom right of this chart, you can see the plus icon, which is at the left side of this pencil icon. So once you tap on that plus icon, you can see lots of features of the TradingView provided by the TradingView itself, where you'll find indicators right above the computer section on in the screen. Simply tap on that indicators option and now you can see the 4 options in this page, where you can see favorites at the first. Just select that option and you can find your favorite indicators in this section successfully. And next is technicals. So once you tap on it, you will be able to see tons of indicators provided by the TradingView itself, and you can also find the strategies, profiles and patterns as well. And just down below the technicals, you can see financial, which I think is not a important topic for now, but once you tap on it, you can see there is written this type of symbol doesn't have fundamental metrics. So let's get back, and finally you can see the community option at the last, which is actually a public library. So once you tap on that community option, you will be redirected to the community section, where you can find a large number of the indicators and strategies by the provided by the community or public. And if you want to search for the specific trading indicators or strategies, then you can simply search by tapping on the search bar. And you can also filter the indicators by tapping on the top and trending and editor's pick as well. And you can also see the name of the developers at the right side of the name of the indicators on in the screen, which is written in blue color. And at the right side of the developer's name, you can find the file icon, where once you tap on it, you can read the documentation of the specific indicators successfully. From here you can see overview, concepts, calculations and so on. So let's get back, and finally at the left side of the name of the strategies, you can see the star icon, where once you tap on that star icon, you will be able to add the following indicators on the favorite successfully. And if you tap on it again, you will be able to remove it from favorite list and vice versa. So basically this is how you can check the public library in TradingView app on your mobile phone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.